Well,
Gonna
That's
get
not going
full
to go away.
Westworld.
since we're back on form and we're talking about how we want not humanoid forms, what do we think about the robot dogs?
I wanted you to bring that up because that one to me is just so silly. A dog has such a specific purpose, and it's to be a dog. Why would I want a robot version of that?
Hmm.
Like,
Well,
get a dog. Like, rescue one.
hold on though. Wait, I shared with you a story about a whiskey sniffing robot, which its whole design is for it to detect ethanol leakage from barrels in a distillery in Scotland. Hold on, this was a great story, but I was so excited about it. Its whole job is to sit in there. You wouldn't want an actual dog to spend all of its time in one room. Like, you
True.
couldn't do that to an actual dog. They're basically our kids. Like, you wouldn't do that
Hmm.
Yeah.
to an actual dog, but to a robot dog. And the only problem they have with it is that because it's a dog, it's too short, so it can't like do the higher level barrels. It only detects at like, 6 feet and below or whatever. That was the
Right.
that was the flaw in their plan. And I was just
Mm.
like, this is incredible though.
Yes.
Yeah, but that's again going back to a niche robot of a
Yeah,
sniffer. Like, it's not a dog, it's just a sniffer.
it's
In
dog
in
shaped.
in organic cases, the best sniffers happen to be dogs. But if we're going robotics, a sniffer could be a thumb. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, make it
Yeah,
however you
yeah.
want, and it's a sniffer. So yeah,
Well,
no, to
here's a
me,
question for you, Sean, though. What
go ahead.
about people who are allergic to dogs but really love dogs?
Get a cat. I
That's
mean,
Yeah.
I don't
really not
know.
the same. You cannot say that. It's really not
Well,
the
I don't
same in
They
know.
any
make
capacity.
hypoallergenic dogs. You
They
can,
make
I mean,
He's
they
not
do. They
wrong.
breed them.
He's
So,
not wrong. No,
yeah.
again, it just I suppose I'm doing trainings and stuff right now, and it
Yeah.
all comes back to what's the purpose? Why? Right? And if it's because you want the comfort and companionship that a dog would offer, there's got to be other alternatives than a robot version of something that you can't have. Right? Like, why would you get the robot version of something you can't have instead of getting something else that fits the purpose? So, and I as a kid, I did love the idea of those really terrible when I was a kid, robot dogs that would,
Hmm.
uh-huh.
They were
try and
awful.
interact with you, and
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like, "That's not really a robot." That's
So your parents didn't
basically
want to get you a real
yeah.
dog?
No, I grew up with dogs. In fact, I'm sad I don't have one here in Ireland at the moment, but, no, it was, as a kid, I loved it. I loved the concept of, "Oh, cool, my own robot dog." But, after, a little bit, it all wears off, and
It's a
that's the cool thing
novelty.
about organic dogs is they grow, they learn, they adapt to your house lifestyle, Not to say that a robot dog couldn't do that, but it would be less cool knowing that someone programmed it to try and pick up on my cues and stuff like that rather than watching a creature grow and learn. Like you said, Chris, you said it best. They're like your kids. And
Yeah.
like again,
Well,
if you're
you
gonna get a dog,
have
like
to take care of a real
yeah,
organic dog.
Yeah.
If you don't, it will suffer and die. Where a robot, yeah, sure, there's some maintenance, but it's not the same. You're not bonded to it.
yeah.
You don't have that same literal life and death attachment to it.